Wow, go on guys, welcome back, and today we're gonna prepare an easy jerk salmon recipe infused with our pineapple ginger sauce, so stay tuned. We're just gonna add some jerk season to it, some dry jerk season, and then we're gonna add some fish season, and we're gonna add the wet jerk season that we made the other day. You can go check that video out on my channel. Yeah, simple and easy recipe. Okay guys, we're gonna chop up our vegetable for our sauce. We're gonna use Doyle 100% pineapple juice. That is it guys, look at that, beautiful and delicious. Remember to like, subscribe and share.